is SWOT analysis? A SWOT analysis is one of the most commonly used tools to assess the internal and external environments of a company and is part of a company's strategic planning process. In addition, a SWOT analysis can be done for a product, place, industry, or person. A SWOT analysis helps with both strategic planning and decision-making, as it introduces opportunities to the company as a forward-looking bridge to generating strategic alternatives. Strengths. Strengths are things that your organization does particularly well or in a way that distinguishes you from your competitors. Think about the advantages your organization has over other organizations. These might be the motivation of your staff, access to certain materials, or a strong set of manufacturing processes. Your strengths are an integral part of your organization, so think about what makes it tick. What do you do better than anyone else? What values drive your business? What unique or lowest cost resources can you draw upon that others can't? Identify and analyze your organization's unique selling proposition and add this to the strengths section. Then turn your perspective around and ask yourself what your competitors might see as your strengths. What factors mean that you get the sale ahead of them? Remember, any aspect of your organization is only a strength if it brings you a clear advantage. For example, if all of your competitors provide high-quality products, then a high-quality production process is not a strength in your market. It's a necessity. Strength is the internal factor. For the analysis of this, you have to make list of the few things. What advantages does your company have? What unique resources that you have that others do not? What is your company's unique selling proposition? What positive consumer perception does your company have? What low-cost resources do you have access to that others do not? Weaknesses. Now it's time to consider your organization's weaknesses. Be honest. A SWOT analysis will only be valuable if you gather all the information you need. So, it's best to be realistic now and face any unpleasant truths as soon as possible. Weaknesses, like strengths, are inherent features of your organization, so focus on your people, resources, systems, and procedures. Think about what you could improve and the sorts of practices you should avoid. Once again, imagine how other people in your market see you. Do they notice weaknesses that you tend to be blind to? Take time to examine how and why your competitors are doing better than you. What are you lacking? Again, weakness are internal factors. For the analysis of this, you have make list of few things. What does your company not do well? What weaknesses do consumers see in your company? What factors contribute to a weaker brand image? Opportunities. Opportunities are openings or chances for something positive to happen, but you'll need to claim them for yourself. They usually arise from situations outside your organization and require an eye to what might happen in the future. They might arise as developments in the market you serve or in the technology you use. Being able to spot and exploit opportunities can make a huge difference to your organization's ability to compete and take the lead in your market. Think about good opportunities you can spot immediately. These don't need to be game changers. Even small advantages can increase your organization's competitiveness. What interesting market trends are you aware of, large or small, which could have an impact? You should also watch out for changes in government policy related to your field. And changes in social patterns, population profiles, and lifestyles can all throw up interesting opportunities. Opportunities are the external factor. For the analysis of this, you have to make list of few things. What good opportunities are available in the marketplace? What are some trends that your company can capitalize on? Are there any changes in technology or markets that your company can take advantage of? Are there any changes in lifestyle, social patterns, etc., that your company can take advantage of? Threats. Threats include anything that can negatively affect your business from the outside, such as supply chain problems, shifts in market requirements, or a shortage of recruits. It's vital to anticipate threats and to take action against them before you become a victim of them and your growth stalls. Think about the obstacles you face in getting your product to market and selling. You may notice that quality standards or specifications for your products are changing, and that you'll need to change those products if you're to stay in the lead. Evolving technology is an ever-present threat, as well as an opportunity. Always consider what your competitors are doing and whether you should be changing your organization's emphasis to meet the challenge. But remember that what they're doing might not be the right thing for you to do, and avoid copying them without knowing how it will improve your position. Be sure to explore whether your organization is especially exposed to external challenges. Do you have bad debt or cash flow problems, for example, that could make you vulnerable to even small changes in your market? This is the kind of threat that can seriously damage your business, so be alert. Threats are the external factor. For the analysis of this, you have to make list of few things. What obstacles does your company face? What are your competitors doing better than you? Is a change in technology threatening the position of your company? What threats do your weaknesses put you at risk of? Do changes in lifestyle, social patterns, etc. pose a threat to your company? This was the first video on SWOT analysis. Soon we will come back with whole series of SWOT analysis in which we will take each company and do its SWOT analysis for investment point of view in that particular company. Thank you so much for watching.